When it comes to industrial furnaces, what's hidden beneath matters. Dynamo Furnaces, an industry leader, understands this. Beyond the initial cost, operational expenses like energy, labor, and maintenance are key. Unexpected repairs, downtime, Dynamo mitigates these with efficient designs and proactive services. High-quality furnaces, like those from Dynamo, promise longevity, energy efficiency, and customization, all enhancing your ROI. Midwestern Foundry operation stands as a testament. They invested in a custom Dynamo furnace. Yes, it cost more upfront, but the long-term benefits? A 20% reduction in energy costs, minimal downtime, streamlined processes, and an impressive ROI. The takeaway? Consider the full picture when investing in industrial furnaces. Dynamo doesn't just sell furnaces, they partner with you for long-term success. Remember, the cheapest choice isn't always the most cost-effective. In the world of industrial furnaces, Dynamo Furnaces is the choice that continues to pay off.